Back, everybody. Well, Eric, I know that this is a pretty scene right now, but you are also tracking some thunderstorms.
I am, but let's reel it back a bit. I mean, we got to blue sky, right? We had the cloudy skies this morning, so we're trending better, right?
Yes.
And it's feeling a lot better out there as well.
It is.
It's got 60s as opposed to the 40s this morning, so I think we'll take it. It's turning out to be a nice day.
A nice week, honestly, too.
A nice week, yes. A lot of dry days, a little bit cool on Wednesday. Then we get some warming by the weekend, a little bit of temperature roller coaster. But weather's not too bad other than tonight. So I think we'll take it. Could get a little bit bumpy tonight, though. We'll talk about that right now. But first, yeah, it's a nice scene out there. This afternoon is shaping up to be pleasant. Temperatures in the 60s and those breaks of sunshine. It's 66 in Salisbury right now, 65 degrees right there in Georgetown, but a little bit cooler, though, by Ocean City, usually as expected, down to 57 degrees. And of course, we've got the increasing sunshine. A lot of these clouds are starting to push offshore, so certainly the afternoon is turning to more in the way of sunnier skies than what we saw earlier this morning. These clouds are in part with this warm front, so this is why we're seeing those warmer temperatures. This warm front is lifting north, and our winds are trending more to a southwesterly direction. But then we're watching this cold front ahead of this front. This is going to spark some showers, downpours, and thunderstorms, and maybe even a few stronger storms. The best chance for any severe storms are going to be towards our west, where this yellow shading is. But still, we have that low and level 1 out of 5 risk for some stronger storms across the region. Some hail, maybe some strong wind gusts will be possible with any of these storms. But these storms are going to be driven by elevated instability. What does that mean? Well, the temperatures at the surface are essentially going to be a few degrees cooler than the temperatures a couple thousand feet aloft. Typically in these scenarios, the severe weather threat is generally limited. That's why you have a limited risk for severe storms. But also in this scenario, your thunder is generally louder because you got the sound waves from the thunder bouncing all over the cooler, stable air. The scenario like this is more likely west of the bay. That's why there's a higher end for severe storms over there. But still, the storms could be a bit on the bumpy side. And of course, we got the potential for loud thunder out there. So if you're asleep at around 11 p.m., 12 a.m., or 1 a.m., this could be a bit of a wake-up call. So just something to keep in mind. This line of storms will be crossing through at around midnight. And then by the time we get to 1 a.m., 2 a.m., it's essentially out here. So it's a quick hitter. But again, it could be pretty potent. So we'll keep an eye on it throughout the day today. We'll get some lingering showers behind that, and then the sky will start off mostly cloudy for a day on Tuesday, trending to a partly sunny sky for the afternoon, maybe a stray sprinkle here and there. And then we will be trending dry for your day on Wednesday, but it is going to be noticeably cooler with high temperatures stuck in the 50s with a bit of a gusty breeze as well, making it feel even chillier. But today's not going to be chilly. In fact, it's going to be pretty nice, 66 to 71 degrees with partial sunshine. So more sunshine this afternoon than what we saw today. But then we got those showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be a mild one, though. Only temperatures at around 55 to 60 degrees. And those warmer temperatures are going to help to fuel some of those storms. But again, with that temperature inversion in place, I think the severe weather threat is generally limited. But still, there could be some strong storms out there. So we'll keep an eye on that. But we do generally dry out for your day on Tuesday. A partly sunny sky, a high temperature of 67, so still a little bit on the warmer side, but it definitely gets noticeably cooler for your day on Wednesday, a high temperature of 58 degrees with breezy conditions as well. The sky does turn fully sunny for your day on Thursday, a high temperature of 61 degrees. We really start to warm things up by the time we get to Saturday. I would not be surprised if we get to 80 degrees. It's going to be very warm out there. But there will be a chance for a few showers sometime Saturday into the overnight before it looks like, as it stands right now, we do dry out for your day on Sunday. Layla?